Hello and welcome back to yet another solution. Today we are solving a quant question. Let us jump directly into it. The set of solutions for the equation contains how many real numbers? So now whenever you see these type of equation, the basic algebraic identities should hit your mind, and that comes with practice and a bit of attention for detail. So if you would be able to see this x square minus 25 could be easily written as x square minus 5 square, that is nothing but x plus 5 into x minus 5. Right? Now similarly, if you would see this part of the equation, x square minus 10x plus 25, this can be written as x minus 5 the whole square. Right? The key in solving this question was more or less being able to identify these algebraic identities and using them in your favor. So with this, let's move ahead and try to solve it, how it comes out. So this is x plus 5 into x minus 5 the whole square, right? So we put a square here, we put a square here. This is equal to x minus 5 the whole square, right? So if now if we cut x minus 5 square from both sides, we would be doing a huge mistake. Never do that in algebra, right? You should always take this to the other side and then try and solve it. Say for example, what I mean here is, go ahead and write down the equation x plus 5 square, x minus 5 whole square minus x minus 5 the whole square equals 0. Never do that cancelling from both the side thing in algebraic equation. Now here we can take x minus 5 the whole square as common. What remains is x plus 5 the whole square minus 1 equals 0. So basically either this thing should be 0 or this thing should be 0, right? A product of two numbers can be 0 when either of them is 0, right? So from here we get as x equals 5 as one of our solution. Moving ahead and solving this side of the equation, what it becomes, this becomes x squared plus so 2 into x into 5, that is 10x plus 25 minus 1 equals 0. This can be further simplified as x squared plus 10x minus 24 equals 0. And if we factorize it, what happens? X squared plus 6x plus 4x plus 24 equals 0. Now we can take common x plus 6. Here we can take 4 common, x plus 6 equals 0. So if we further simplify it, this becomes x plus 6 into x plus 4 equals 0. So basically we get two more solutions, minus 6 and minus 4. And we already had one, x equal to 5. So total we have 3 solutions. So let us revisit what we did. The foremost thing that needed to be done in this question was your ability to identify this. This is a very important lesson. Now moving ahead, when we wrote our equation, it is important to take it to the other side and subtract. We should not cancel out. Why we should not cancel out? I think you should go back and revise your notes so that you can find. The idea basically is that it can be 0, right? X can be 5 here. So if we put x equals to 5, this is 0, this is 0. You cannot cancel out 0 from both the sides, right? So that is the basic concept. You should go back and revise your notes. GMAT tests a lot of these kind of topics, very certainly. Now moving ahead, we have we then brought this part of the equation to the left hand side, and then we took common. What we got was either this part should be 0 or this part should be 0. So here we get one solution, x equals to 5, and then for the other side we get two more solutions, x equal to minus 6 or minus 4. So yeah, that was the question, guys. Hope you liked it. Thanks a lot for watching.